Well, hi everyone, it is John C Morley, serial entrepreneur here, and you are watching the JMOR Reviews channel. Today on the JMOR Reviews channel, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Electric Punch Optima 20, which has 20 sheet capacity, dual power, which means that it has AC plug support as well as battery support, and it supports a 3-hole punch for up to 20 pages. Before I get into this, I want to invite you to please go ahead and like this video. Hit the thumbs up on Facebook and YouTube, tag your friends, and share this video to everyone you know. And if it really resonates with you, I would be so grateful, and my team as well, if you would go to any of our videos and below it says help keep our content free. You'll get a PayPal link and make the choice to donate a cup of coffee or more to myself, my team, for today, for tomorrow, for the week, for the month, for the quarter, for the year. And we put that to good use to invest in new technology, cameras, equipment, recording devices, processes, and software to help create some of the most compelling, inspiring content about technology that I know you want to know about. Well, when I first took a look at the Swingline Optima 20, I have to tell you, it really intrigued me because I've owned things like this before and they never work. What I liked about this particular product is, at least what they say, is that it's effortlessly automatic and it's also jam clearing. So that really appealed to me. Let's take a look at what's in this box. Okay. So there's a little plastic inside, but it's really not that much of a big deal to take it off. And it's out. So I'm going to choose to hook this up through the AC outlet, and in case you're wondering, this is a switching adapter. It's 100 to 240 volts, and it's a 50-60 hertz at 0.8 max. The output is 9 volts and 1.2 amps. And on the back here, there's a place, but I also want to show you, in case you decide to hook this up with batteries. Wow. You're gonna have to put a lot of batteries in this puppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's the AA batteries. It's not even the cheaper ones. I don't know how long it'll run on AA batteries, but I'd just rather plug it into the AC outlet. It does have the serial number here, which is kind of neat. Plug that in down here, and we're gonna plug this into our wall socket. All right. So just to look at it, it looks like it's pretty simple to operate. So I'm going to take just one piece of paper and try it out. Push the little Swingline button, which is a button, incidentally. And that was kind of intuitive, but it didn't say button on it. It would have been nice if it said button, because a lot of people I know might be pressing, but actually you could press anywhere, it looks like, not just here. You could press this entire bar. Take a few more sheets. What happens if I just touch it? So I only have to touch it, I don't have to hold it. I do like that. Now it actually says that it's able to work with 20 sheets, and that's what I've got right here in this pile. So I'm going to put it right in here like this. You can actually see the guide. If you get too heavy, it'll actually not go in. So you can see that right there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to go ahead and just touch it once. Pull it out. Did a great job. Let's try 21. I'm going to take the paper, I'm going to put it right in here just like this, and I'm going to touch this button. So I want to be fair, but 21 pages punched really well. Now, of course, it's going to be affected by the type of paper you're using, GSM, or for most people, it's the poundage, they know it. And, you know, this was standard like 20-pound, 22-pound copy paper, which is what most people would be using. So it actually did more than what the manufacturer says, so kudos on that. Now on the bottom, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see that there is a little compartment here, and I'm going to recommend that you unplug it just to be safe. There's a little door here, and it looks like I can just open that flap just like that, and I can literally just take my garbage pail, which I'll get right here, and it dumps there pretty well. The only thing I would have liked, ladies and gentlemen, is I would have liked a tray that actually came out without me having to open a door. So I close that in just like that. It doesn't quite... All right, you have to... So you go down. It's okay. It's a little flimsy, to be honest with you. So now it's time for my rating. I'm impressed with how well it works, all right? And I think the price tag on it was pretty good value. I actually price matched this and I saved some money. I like the way it has this nice kind of rubber mat here that I can just touch anywhere. And you don't have to hold it down. It actually works and shuts off automatically. I'm not crazy about this door that you have to like literally bend it and then to put it back. And there's also no tray. To close it, I have to kind of, it does work, but you can see that it's a little flimsy down here. Nice product. If I have to give it a number and give it a total rating, came with the plug, it needs 6 batteries. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of a 10. And that's because there's no tray. This is awfully flimsy. This lid doesn't open very well. And 6 batteries, guys, I mean, come on. But it did perform even better than the manufacturer said because they called an Optima 20. I put 21 pages in. So good job, guys, but it gets a 6 from me. Very nice, easy product. It is probably one of the best products I've ever owned that does a hole punch that didn't cost over $400. This product was under 200 bucks. I think it was not even 100 and some bucks, and it's really worth its value. But I wouldn't have mind paying an extra $10 or $15 if some of these things would have been added, like I told you. The other thing I would have liked is an indicator to tell me when I could empty this bin. So not a bad job, you know, making the Swingline. As you know, we reviewed the stapler. And so if you are looking for a hole punch, whether it's at home or, you know, whether it's in the office, it did a very decent job. And I didn't have to worry about getting things aligned. They just sort of came out. The other thing that I noticed about it is that you can't adjust the position of the holes. So again, but for the price tag of this unit, pretty reasonable. Most people just want this for school or to put them into a binder. Not a bad product. So 6.0, if you liked our video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button, hit the bell notification icon and the subscribe button. I am John C Morley, Serial Entrepreneur. It always gives me great pride, pleasure, and honor to present unboxings and reviews. Check out all my other channels as well. And if these videos are resonating with you, go on over to youtube.com and below any one of my videos, click on the link below where it says help keep our content free. Make the choice today to buy myself and my team a cup of coffee for today, for tomorrow, for the week, for the month, for the quarter, for the year. We'll see you real soon with another product. And if you have a product you'd like to unbox, reach out to us at JMOR.com. You'll have to donate the product and the shipping, and we may be able to just get you some viewers to see what your product's about.